Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you're like me and you are a fan of flavors without the added sugar, then you have got to give these Nespresso Vertuo pods in the flavor Golden Caramel a try. When these pods are brewing, they give off this incredibly luscious, rich caramel scent through my whole kitchen. What I really like about the smell and the taste of the coffee that comes from these pods is that it is not artificial in the least. The caramel flavor is really potent and authentic tasting without having any sweetness added. I am a really big fan of this since I personally prefer to drink my coffee without sugar. I do, however, like to add cream to my coffee, and I really feel like this caramel flavor mixed with the cream in my coffee goes so well together. It is a great coffee on its own, and I can really enjoy it without any accompaniment, but of course, I like to enjoy it with some caramel treats. I think that the flavors of coffee and caramel marry together so well in these Nespresso coffee pods. But that's just my point of view.